Hey guys, I have Investing Hustler with me today. Me and him are doing a collab. He's gonna ask me a few questions and I'm gonna answer them. So
What's
let's
going
begin.
on, guys? Nice to have you here, Kevin. Nice to do a collab.
Yep.
Look for okay. So I don't know if you want to start off with the questions or you want me to start off. Well, maybe I'll invest. I'm investing hustler. I actually made a video on Kevin. His channel is Cyberworld. I made a video titled "How to Become a Millionaire," and that was featuring Kevin. So this is Kevin right here. So if you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave a link right here, or maybe Kevin will leave it on the description. It's pretty much his whole biography. So that brings me to the first question, Kevin. What did you think about that video I made about you? And is there anything important that I missed out? Like, is there anything that I missed out on that biography? Anything you want us to know?
No, it's pretty accurate. I mean, it's a little off, but I can't remember exactly where it's off. But it's a little bit off, but it's pretty much spot on. So I mean, it's not like it's like 95% accurate. There's like a 5%
Yeah.
that's not quite accurate, but it doesn't matter. It's still pretty good. I like the video. I thought it was very well done. It looked like you put a lot of effort into it, and all I have to say is thank you.
Yeah, no, for sure. I hope it helped your channel out. Hope it helped your course out a little. I enjoy editing videos. I enjoy posting them. So for sure, I'm glad you let me take a lot of your content and put it in my video and pretty much tell a story about you. So another question, how does it feel being a millionaire? Are you still a millionaire, Cyberworld? I know we've had a pretty couple red days.
Yeah, I literally lost $1 million. The stock's recovering a little bit, so I'm back to being like slightly over $2 million, I think. So maybe I don't know. I didn't do any calculations yet, but I think I'm somewhere in the $2 million range. I mean, losing $1 million really butt hurts me. But
Yeah,
at the
can
end of the
imagine.
day, I got greedy. I gambled. I gambled on the fact that there could be a Coke deal. I should have just sold, and then if a Coke deal came, I could have just bought back in. Like, I just
Yep.
didn't think about that. So I was being emotional. I was not thinking properly, and I did so. I fell in love with my stock, which I'm not supposed to. You're not supposed to fall in love with your stock, and it's sometimes it happens because the company has such a good story behind it.
Yeah. Well, I don't blame you for falling in love with Aurora because I'm pretty sure a lot of people, including myself, love Aurora. So I don't blame you. But it happens. But you did collect some profits. I do remember you telling me you sold.
Yeah,
I
I
don't know
sold
if you
like
what was that?
I sold about like 3,000 shares. I think I can't remember the exact
Yeah,
number.
it was 3,000. I think
Yeah,
you told me, and I saw the video or something on your course.
yeah,
So yeah, you did sell 3,000. So at least you collected some profits, which helped, right?
yeah. It was nice. It was like 40,000, I think,
All right.
of profits.
Yeah, that's good. All right, so I'll just ask questions and you can ask me questions after. So what are your goals or plans for the future, Cyberworld or Kevin?
Uh, my plans.
Yep.
I don't know. I kind of just wing stuff. All I care about is just trying to get to that billionaire status. I don't care how I
Yeah.
did it. I do it. I continue the plan to keep doing my YouTube video, keep trying to get business connections, just keep growing my my personal brand, my corporation brand,
Hmm.
and just try to hit that billionaire status. Try to get a publicly listed company because I don't think I can hit that next level without actually being a publicly traded company. So that's
Yep.
my goal. I don't know if I already fucked up because I could have fucked up some of my videos. I could have offended somebody. I don't know,
Yep.
I don't know any of this public shit. I just know that I want to go public, and I'm
Mhm.
gonna once I hit my $5 million mark, if I ever do, from trading stocks in my corporation, because my
Yep.
corporation started off as $250,000. Right now it's around $600,000. It was at over $800,000, but you know how Aurora like tanked back and I lost
Yep.
a bunch of money. So I mean, I have a long ways to go. I don't know if I'll ever make my corporation $5 million from stocks,
Mhm.
but I'm not gonna stop trying. I'm gonna keep trying.
Yeah.
Just keep grinding, and maybe I'll find that next lucky winner that will take me there. Who knows?
Well, I'm glad to be a part of your course because if you find that next lucky winner, I'm sure we'll all be hearing about it.
Oh yeah,
And
big time.
on top of that, I'm pretty sure 5, 6 years ago when you were saying you were going to become a millionaire, you wanted to become a millionaire, people doubted you, and
Yeah.
yet here you
Everybody
are.
doubted me. My parents doubted me the most. They're like, they
Exactly.
were laughing at me. They're like, "No way, you're gonna be a millionaire." I'm like, "You don't know that."
Yeah, but look at you now. You can't listen to the doubters. So right now, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to doubt you, saying that you want, even if it's 100 million, even if it's a billion, people are going to doubt you. But you already achieved what a lot of people thought you couldn't do. So anything's possible, and I would like to see that happen. So
Yeah.
that's a great. So we'll move on to the next question.
Oh,
So
hold
this one,
on.
oh,
I wanna break in a little bit. I just want to point out that when Warren Buffett was 30, about my age, he had $1 million. I mean, granted, $1 million was a lot of money back then,
yeah,
but like you have to think like he was 1 million, and then by the time he was 50, he had like 300 million, and now
yeah.
he's like
He's a billionaire. 80,
no,
more
like
than 80 billion,
80
100
billion
billion.
dollars or something.
Yeah.
70-80 billion dollars or whatever, $60 billion now since the stock market kind of tanked on him. Who
Yeah.
knows? But
Anything's possible. And he started investing very young. He started investing, I think, at 12 or I forget what age.
yeah,
I
around
actually
12.
I actually want to make a video on Warren Buffett, kind of like the similar video that I made on you. I do plan on making one on Warren Buffett one day. Those videos take a lot of time, so I'll have to
Yeah,
plan that out.
it might do
But
well though. But because Warren Buffett's a big name, so people might watch it if you do a good job on it.
yeah, no, for sure. I'll be putting a lot of time into that video. But yeah, is there anything else you wanted to say, or move on to the next question?
Um, yeah, just move on to the next question.
All right. So next question: what are your top three stocks you're looking at in November?
I have them right in front of me.
Yes.
So right now I'm looking at T-Guard. I think the stock can go to low $2. That's when I plan to buy in.
Yeah,
So-
T-God looks like a nice buy right now, especially under $3.
No, I'm looking at the low $2 before I buy in.
Oh,
I'm not recommending anybody buying at this price because you know what's happening tomorrow?
What's that? Oh, Apple.
All the shareholders that got locked in at $1.65 gets unlocked tomorrow. So what happens when they decide to sell at $1.65?
Oh wow, that's true. Might be bad. Might be a bad red day for T-God. Maybe even the whole marijuana sector. But we'll have to find out tomorrow.
Yeah, that's I'm hedging my bets. I'm gathering some profits, and I'm camping this stock tomorrow. Namaste
Yep.
is my second stock.
Yep.
I think it can go down a little further. I think it can go to like 150, 155.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll buy in that buy at 160, and if it drops below 160, I'll add into my position. If it drops below like 155, like I think the lowest this stock would drop is $1.40 because management has a buyback share program in. So if the price stock drops low enough, they'll buy back shares, and it'll increase the price of the stock. Because they just closed their financing, so now they have $90 million. So if this price drop really low, they can just buy back in shares. Like, why not? They raised capital at $3, so if they were buying back in at like $1.40, $1.30, you know, that's a smart move in my opinion.
Yeah, well, yeah, I own Namaste at 143 right now, so I'm kind of hoping it goes to 143, 145, so I can buy back all my shares because I did sell. I used to have a lot of Namaste shares. I'm not sure exactly how much, and I sold a lot of Namaste when it hit like 350, $3. I've been selling it off, so I would love to buy back all those shares. We'll see if Namaste goes below $1.50. That would be nice. So that's also a good pick. So what's your next pick?
My third pick is, of course, Tesla. Tesla. I know it's the price is high right now. It's $350.
I was just gonna say that.
It's $347. I get it. Like, I bought it in at 300, and I bought it a little bit at 250. I wish I believed in the company more and just bought a lot more at 250. But you gotta remember, like Elon Musk on the 29th, he bought in at. Hello.
Yeah, I'm just sharing the Tesla stock right now.
Oh, okay.
So we
Sorry,
could talk about it while we look at the charts.
your
Yeah,
face
go
went
on.
away. Oh, okay.
But you see the charts now, right? So
Yeah,
this is the Tesla charts.
yeah.
They're selling at 46. You can go on.
Yeah, I see this. Yeah, this is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically I'm like Tesla could tank back. I mean, I'm not saying it won't, but I'm definitely gonna be a buyer if it does. I'm not. I would not like. I'm saying that this stock could go to $400. I think it could break a new high eventually, but like it is. We're in a rough market right now. But if Apple, if Apple comes out with some good numbers, then you know that could bring Tesla stock up, you know, to all-time highs. But it all depends on the market, like how like if the market's bearish because of Apple, then this stock might take back to maybe 330, maybe 300. If it hits $300, I'm gonna be a buyer. I'm definitely gonna be buying more at 300. And if it goes below 300, then I'll be a really big buyer below that. So that's the one stock
I'm looking at the Tesla charts, and Tesla has a very nice support at $250.
I don't think it'll ever hit $250.
I doubt it'll ever go back that low because of their amazing earnings. But if it did, I would definitely be a Tesla buyer. I used to swing trade Tesla all the time because it's such a volatile company.
Yeah, but you have to remember that Elon Musk said that from now on they're gonna be like profitable. So it's, you know, it's so hard to be bearish on Tesla. It's like they've been so, like, they were extremely profitable last quarter, and they said that profits are gonna continue on. So that means that this company's not gonna be losing money on a consistent basis now. They're gonna be at least generating a little bit of money. They might need to raise capital to build their factory in China. So that stock dilution, when that happens, could tank the stock even further. Could tank the stock, but I think they're gonna raise it at like $400+. I don't think they're gonna raise it at like $380. I think they're gonna raise at $400, and they're gonna use that money to build the China factory. That's what I believe is gonna happen with Tesla stock, because they need money to build another gigafactory, and the only way to do that is to raise money. So, and I totally think investors would back Tesla if they were gonna build a factory in China. I'm 100% positive on that. If Tesla was to raise money, so that's just my thoughts on those. Those are my three picks. So
well, it would be nice to see Tesla go down. Do you see Tesla going to $1,000 a share one day, maybe 5-10 years from now?
Yep, absolutely.
Definitely. I would be very bullish on Tesla.
Think about this, right? There's very little electric cars in the United States. Electric cars is like the new smartphone of like our era. The old cars were like carbon cars. Tesla is offering you self-driving Tesla cars. Self-driving Tesla cars is gonna be the new smart cars, like the smart cars. The people are gonna call them smart cars in the future, and Tesla's gonna be the pioneer of it. And you know, other competitors are gonna try to copy Tesla, but Tesla's gonna be the Apple of the new smart cars.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I see it. That's how I see the future. So that's why I'm so bullish on Tesla, and I would be adding more. The fact that Tesla is profitable, and the fact that Tesla is like, I could see a vision for the future Tesla. After seeing that profit, I saw a vision. I was like, okay, this company is gonna survive, and this company is gonna keep growing and growing and growing. One day the stock's gonna be $1,000. Or $2,000 or $3,000, because the stock market, the market cap's only $50 billion.
Yeah, that's nothing. Especially when you look at a company like Apple, that's $1 trillion.
Exactly.
So Tesla has a lot of room for growth.
Yep.
It's also a risk. It's also a big risk. Nothing's ever guaranteed. Everything's a risk.
I agree.
But I agree with your pick, and I do see a lot of potential with Tesla.
Yeah, but my thing is, I'm hoping it tanks back. That's the risk.
Me too.
I would definitely be a buy if it goes back to 300, and if it goes to like the 250 levels. That's when I'll be a big buyer. But Elon Musk will have to do something stupid for it to go to the 250 level.
I hope he smokes another spliff or something, and then
no, that'll increase the stock price. Because last time he did it, the stock price went up.
I thought it went down after he smoked the spliff, but then it went back up again.
So basically, on the day the stock tanked, right, and then he came out with a picture saying that he smoked pot, and then it just started rising.
Oh man.
And then after that, the SEC came out and tried to sue him. The stock went back down.
Oh god. Well, yeah, no, those some good tips. So, actually, speaking of tips, my next question is: do you have any tips for some new investors? You've been in the market for, I think, 8 years, almost 10 years, so you have a lot of experience. So, any tips for new investors, or even for myself? Any tips? Any advice?
Buy low. Like, this is a tip that everyone's heard: buy low, sell high. So when you're buying, try to look for like look at the chart, look at the lowest price. If you've done your research and you know exactly what you're investing into, don't be scared. Just invest because you've done your research, you know. And at the end of the day, in order to make a lot of money, you have to take some risk. It's like a business. When you go and do a business, you're taking a risk. You're risking that the fact that you could fail and lose all your money and just wasted all your time. Right? YouTube was a risk for me. I didn't know YouTube was gonna take off for me. I just kept going and going, and now it's slightly paying off. I'm making over $1,000, like $1,500 per month US on YouTube. I never would have expected myself to make that much. I was hoping like $200 or $300. The fact that I'm making over 1,000 makes me extremely happy that my YouTube is actually becoming a success.
No, that's really good. An extra $1,000 doing videos is always good. That pays bills. That could pay your mortgage. That could pay your rent. That's good money. Just making videos, and if you're passionate and you enjoy what you do, you can't go wrong, right?
Yeah, I don't really find making YouTube videos as a job. It's kind of like
it's fun. I enjoy it, especially when I do interviews. I've been doing a lot of collabs, and I really enjoy them. It's fun. You get to meet and talk to a lot of people. So far, I'm doing an interview with you. I've done one with Departures Capital with Rich. I might have one coming up with Whiteboard Finance. So it's a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of people. It's really cool.
Okay. This video is already 17 minutes.
Oh wow.
Do you guys do you want to just end it and maybe we could do another video?
Yeah. We could always do another one where you interview me, because that is pretty long, and then And I'm happy with the content. We got a lot of really good information, so we could definitely end this video now.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give us a thumbs up for doing this content, and I'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and yes, leave us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.